Hello, my name is Mr. Wilke, and we're here at home going over some problems. I asked my algebra class to practice some simplification of radicals, and you can see maybe at some point where this is going. So let's look at the first one. Number 9 was the square root of 3 squared minus 4. So all we have to do is simplify that. We remember our order of operations. So we do our exponents first, then our subtraction. So be 9 minus 4, which is 5. Square root of 5. 5 is a prime number. We can't simplify it any further. That's all we got to do. That was it. Okay. Number 10. We've got the square root of 6 squared minus 4 times 2. All right, well, 6 squared is 36 minus 8. 36 minus 8 is what? That's right, 28. So we have the square root of 28. Are there any perfect squares in 28? No, 7's not a perfect, 4 is the perfect square. That's right, good, okay. So we've got square root of 4 times 7, which is the square root of 4 times the square root of 7. The square root of 4, of course, is 2. We end up with 2 root 7. Perfect. All right, let's look at number 11. Can anyone see where this is going? We've got 8 squared minus 4 times 1 times 3. What does that look like, anyone? That's right, that's going to be part of the quadratic formula, isn't it? We've got b squared minus 4ac. So, does that make sense? Let's hope. I don't know. I think it does. So 8 squared minus 4 times 1 times 3. 64 minus what? 12? 64 minus 12 is 52. Does that simplify? Well, is there a perfect? Yeah, 4. Okay. So once again, this is 4 times 13. We're going to end up with 2 root 13, right? Because it's going to be square root of 4 times 13, square root of 4, square root of 13, 2 root 13. Okay, so let's look at the next 3. Let's look at the next 3 and do some internet magic like we do. And what do you know? There they are. All right, so that will never not be funny to me. I don't know why. All right, here we go. Number 12, we've got square root of negative 6 squared minus 4 times negative 1 times 3. So, well, let's just do it. Negative 6 squared is 36. Negative 4 times negative 1 is positive 4 times 3 is 12. So 36 plus 12, that's the square root of 48. All right, now we know there's clearly a 4 in there, but is there anything else? Oh, that's right. 16 times 3. So this is root 16 times 3. Root 16, root 3. Square root of 16 is 4. So we end up with 4 root 3. All right, what's next? Well, the square root of negative 2 squared minus 4 times negative 3 times 5. All right, so negative 2 squared is positive 4. Negative 4 times negative 3 is positive 12 times 5 is 60. So root 4 plus 60, that's the square root of 64, which is just 8. All right, let's look at number 14. What do we got? We've got negative 3 squared minus 4 times 5 times negative 6. So negative 3 squared is 9. Negative 4 times 5 is negative 20 times negative 6 is positive 120. So the square root of 129, does that simplify at all? Well, let's see, is it divisible by 4? No. 9? No. 20? No. 16? No. 49? No, it's not going to, is it? Okay, it's not, so that's it. No perfect squares. root 129, and we're done. Okay, does that help everybody? I hope. So now, does everybody understand why we did this now that we've learned the quadratic formula? Plus or minus, it's what, negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, right? So there you go. This is what we're going to call the discriminant, and I will teach you a lesson on this next week. Okay, sound good? Great. Okay, thanks a lot, and yeah, I hope this helped.